This is the most effective way and complete the tutorial. Student, we have concluded the session. Students, I have exciting news for you all. Your group will plan and organize this year Candy Unit Talent Show. You are responsible for planning, coordination and execution. All the best.
Look, who's coming?
Machan, you guys are playing carom without me?
You were busy, no?
Yes, I was quite busy. But the reason I came here is we should prep for the talent show. So I want you guys to play one more shot and come with me.
It's okay, no problem.
Okay?
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay guys, jokes aside, we came here to plan the talent show. So talent show is one of the most important events in Slit Candy Uni. Based on that, I want all of your ideas for this event. So feel free to talk about it.
I think we should do a modern talent show with dance and rap.
No way, it should be traditional and cultural. This is Sri Lanka, not TikTok.
It's okay, Macha. You can sit down.
Isn't my idea good enough?
Why not? Comedy night. People need laughter.
You all are mixing vibes like fruit salad.
Fruit salad.
Cool it off, okay? You have to cool it off. Okay? So this is a teamwork, right? Then again, we have given this opportunity, and if we fight each other during this time, this is going to be a bad impact for our images as well as the show. So we have different ideas. Then again, we'll note it down and get a better output. Fighting is not an option. Okay? Guys, I forgot to tell you something. So regarding this event, I'll give you an update through WhatsApp. What you have to do will be summarized there. And that's all. Okay? Have a great day. So this is done, and I want you to put it over there. So this is the scenery over here. So I'll check on the beverages and get back to you, okay?
I brought the box.
This is not the box you were supposed to bring.
Guys, what's going on?
Why are you here? You were supposed to arrange the tables.
My bad, I forgot that.
Ayo, I can't do this with you too.
Guys, don't fight. Why are you guys fighting? You're not supposed to fight, okay? We're a team. So we should get this done and make this event a success. Okay?
never the home, no
Success doesn't come from standing alone, it comes from standing together. When we work as one team, we turn challenges into victories, ideas into action, and dreams into reality. Together, we don't just move forward, we rise.